So we have a lot of people come to WNO seeing either our work or maybe opera for the first time. So if someone new to opera chose Così fan tutte, what would their takeaway be? What would we hope that they get out of the experience?
What should really touch their heart would be the sparkling, inspirational music.
Yes.
That speaks even deeper and more colorful as words. And I think it's a piece of really grown-up genius of Mozart.
Yeah, yeah.
There is so much fire in it, so much joke, so much inspiration in melodies, but also in quick dialogues, in responsive reactions that I think people just could have a great, joyful evening with a little melancholical outcome, maybe.